Hello and welcome to ActivTrade's biggest market movers. My name's Nathan Batchel. I'm a foreign exchange trader and technical market analyst, and today I'll be looking at the euro against the US dollar. I'll be discussing its recent trading history, and I'll also be identifying the key technical levels that you need to know going forward. So last week we saw the euro move underneath the 117 level, hitting 116.69, but it was unable to find traction underneath that key 117 level, and we subsequently closed the week above that level. We found some buying interest as we started the new week. The US dollar started to retreat, and we've also seen Catalonian fears subside. We're currently trading around the 117.70 level, and the weekly pivot point is calculated around the 117.40 region. If we have a look at the key market moving events this week for the euro dollar, we have the FOMC meeting minutes out on Wednesday. We also have a raft of US data coming out later on in the week. We have retail sales, consumer price inflation, and we also have PPI figures. If we have a look to the key technical levels that you need to know, if we continue the bullish theme and move towards the 118 level, if we start to break that level, look for further resistance around the 118.70 level. If we start to move above there, we have the key 50-day moving average at 118.55, and above there we have the key monthly pivot point around the 118.75 area. If we continue to see some resistance around the 118 level, we may turn down to test the weekly pivot point around the 117.40 area. If we move underneath there, we of course have the key 117.10 level, and we have the pairs key 200-week moving average around the 116.90 level, and we have of course key support from last week at 116.60. Thank you very much. This has been ActivTrade's biggest market movers, and you can trade the euro against the US dollar for spreads as low as 0.5 pips at ActivTrades.